everybody on the Pro Forum. Okay, what you're about to see has never been demonstrated before by me. Highly guarded, protected secret that I'm about to show you. So prepare yourself, because it's never ever been seen before. So to tell you the story, I was in San Antonio and I went to this fancy schmancy Mexican restaurant and was blown away, I tell you, blown away by their margaritas. It was so good. I went there every day for like 3 or 4 days while we were there doing a little class or something. The last day, I'm heading to the airport, and I got just enough time to swing by the same restaurant to get another margarita. Well, this time they sit me at the bar, and buddy, I peeled my eyeballs and watched and made notes of exactly how it's done. So what you're about to see, in light of where this is coming from, is one of the places right nearby my house. There's a brand new Mexican restaurant. Of course, you know, today's May the 5th, and people will celebrate that, Cinco de Mayo, whatever. Got me to thinking about the coolest Pro Forum video ever. And that would be for me to reveal, never to be revealed ever before, and probably never again, and only available right here on the Pro Forum, my secret margarita recipe. So here we go. So what you need, I feel like, Tam, what's her name on the food channel? Rachel Ray, that's it. I feel like Rachel Ray. Okay. Anyway, so you obviously need tequila, and the preference, by the way, when it comes to tequila, is good tequila. But today we're going to use just plain old everyday Jose Cuervo. It's okay. It's not the best, but if you really want to blow everybody away with this recipe, get you some Patron. Okay. Now next, go get you Roses, R-O-S-E-S, sweetened lime juice. Okay, get that from the grocery store. And if you're going for the cheap, get triple sec. The best is Grand Marnier, but you know, Grand Marnier is about 35, 40 bucks a bottle. And again, just for the sake of demonstration purposes, I didn't feel like going to get you a whole bottle of Grand Marnier just for this video. So I'm going to tell you what you can do, but then I'm going to make it with what I got. So it tastes very, very close, but still, if you want to blow everybody's minds off, blow everybody's minds, make sure that instead of triple sec, you get Grand Marnier. Okay, to begin, you take a little bit of Roses and you put it in a little plate like this. Just fill up the bottom of that plate, okay? Next, get your margarita salt. Pour it in another plate. So we're going to put our margarita salt out in the plate. Okay. Next, get your little shaky thing. Put you some ice. This is just plain everyday cubed ice in it. Take your tequila. Put 1 shot of tequila. Plus a little bit, just because we like a little extra tequila. Alright, next, put 1 shot of Roses. Just like that. Next, you put 1 shot of, preferably again, Grand Marnier. But triple sec will work. 1 shot. Put all that in ice. Just some plain water. 1 shot, plain water. Okay. Put that in your shaky thing. Get it good and shaken. You know you're done shaking when your hand's so cold you can't hold the thing. And it's getting close. Take your fancy schmancy margarita glass, which is very important, by the way. Just any glass will not just do. It has to be a fancy schmancy glass. Take the glass, you dip it into the roses in the plate, you dip it into the salt in the other plate, then you put crushed ice in your fancy schmancy margarita glass. A little bit more ice. And make sure it's nice and cold. Pour her in. And just like that, you have, and I guarantee you, the best margarita you will ever put your lips on. This will completely change your life, because now you will start getting invited to parties. People will want to hang out with you. People will want to be at your house all the time. People will bother you. People will, come to you for this all the time. You're going to be the head of the party. I'm just saying. Oh my goodness. It's just entirely perfect. That's it. Hope that helps someone become more popular in their photography. If nothing else, hey, you'll have a lot of fun drinking it. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.